Right, so today is Saturday, and this is the little resort we stayed in. So we're going on an adventure today, and maybe we wouldn't come back over here today. So let's see how the day goes. So after leaving the Three Rivers Eco Lodge, right, we on a little trail here to a falls called Salton Falls, right? So let me see what it's stating. So we make it to this beautiful waterfall here, right? The walk was no 15 minutes as everybody just say, right? But beautiful, look at that. There's an extra one peaking on the side here, and what's this on here? So I'm gonna set up the drone, and we're gonna take a quick dip, and we go on. Yeah, so we need to actually try down thing there, but we're just gonna stock up, get some snacks, some drinks, right? The trolley full with a case of water, right? And yeah, I don't know how it goes. I was close by Toronto there, which is the capital of Dominica, where the cruise ships is coming, and yo, I just raised my phone so to make a video, and a fisherman just set a course and run in the van and pick up a blade and thing and want to run me down, thinking I'm making a video with he. But anyways, just taking this lovely water here. Alright, so we're moving again. Hungry, so we just on the side of the road here getting some nice barbecue and macaroni pie, right? So I will let you know how it tasted, looking real good. Reached the entrance of Syndicate Falls, but I actually went in and they say is a very steep hill to go down, plus you have to pass through 3 or 4 rivers, and mom and dad really can't make that, so We're going again. So this was the largest mango trees I ever saw in my life. Anyways, taking these views here, right? If there's one thing about Dominica is that the mountains are really huge, and there are only villages like closer to the coastline, you know. So we take a quick drive back down into one village, right? And then we check out this kind of abandoned hotel, right? And then we head to the area where the Indian River is located. This area where the Indian River is located is called Glanvilla, and there are tours available to go in this river, and you can spend the day, and there's a restaurant, I believe. And then this here is called Zikak, right? It's in the northern area of Dominica, and I just thought it was beautiful, so just taking the views. Tell earlier we was going in our next place, right? So there's the settings there, right? And this is the view. Right, so we're not getting in that water now.